Oh, everyone. What if I tell you? You don't need thousands of words or complicated grammar to speak English fluently. Just 50 powerful daily sentences can completely change your life. In this audio, you will learn the top 50 daily use English sentences that you can start using from today itself. Because English is not about perfection. It is about communication. It is about expressing your thoughts clearly and confidently. And the truth is, simple sentences, repeated daily, can make you fluent faster than anything else. So let's begin your journey from today. First, train your mind to start the day in English. Morning is the most powerful time to build habits. Now repeat after me. Good morning. Repeat. How are you? Repeat. I am fine. Repeat. What is your plan today? Repeat. Let's start the day. Repeat. I am ready. Repeat. Today will be a great day. Repeat. I feel confident today. Repeat. Let's do this. Repeat. I will give my best. Repeat. Pause now. Daily conversation sentences. What are you doing? Repeat. Where are you going? Repeat. Can you help me? Repeat. Please wait a moment. Repeat. I don't understand. Repeat. Can you repeat that? Repeat. Speak slowly. Please repeat. That's a good idea. Repeat. I agree with you. Repeat. I don't think so. Repeat. It depends. Repeat. No problem. Repeat. That's okay. Repeat. Let's go. Repeat. I will call you later. Repeat. Pause now. Confidence building sentences. I can do it. Repeat. I am improving every day. Repeat. I am not afraid to speak. Repeat. Mistakes are okay. Repeat. I will try again. Repeat. I believe in myself. Repeat. I am learning fast. Repeat. I am getting better. Repeat. I will not give up. Repeat. I am confident. Repeat. Pause now. Real-life practical sentences. How much is this? Repeat. Can you give me a discount? Repeat. I need this. Repeat. I don't need it. Repeat. Where is the washroom? Repeat. What time is it? Repeat. I am getting late. Repeat. I will be there soon. Repeat. Please send me the details. Repeat. I have a question. Repeat. Let me check. Repeat. I will confirm later. Repeat. That's interesting. Repeat. Sounds good. Repeat. Thank you so much. Repeat. Pause. Now listen carefully. Practice daily. Speak loudly. Don't be afraid. If you make mistakes, it's okay. If you feel shy, speak anyway. Because every time you speak, you improve. Now say this with me. I will speak English daily. Repeat. Again, I will speak English daily. Repeat. Believe in yourself. Take action. Your journey starts now. Thank you.